HAPBIO is built for large-scale packaging production, with multiple manufacturing lines and the capacity to produce a wide range of plastic packaging formats. That production capability supports a broad portfolio with zipper bags among HAPBIO's key product lines. Different sizes, formats, and printing options can be developed around the application. Within the same resealable category, slider bags offer another format, giving customers more options for different packaging applications. Beyond resealable packaging, the portfolio moves into another everyday requirement: waste management. This includes trash bags on roll as well as heavy-duty formats for different handling needs. The range extends further into food and produce packaging, including produce bags on roll and flat food bags in different formats for packing operations. As packaging moves from protection to delivery and presentation, the range also includes wicket mailer bags, display bags, and gift bags for retail applications. And when different applications call for different structures, the portfolio expands into PP woven and non-woven bags, alongside BOPP and OPP multi-layer laminated formats. Across these different formats, people remain at the center of the process, bringing materials, machinery, and customer requirements together. This is HAPBIO, where manufacturing capability and product diversity come together for the U.S. market. Looking for the right packaging partner? Contact us to discuss your next project.